First of all, open up your YouTube application. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Now tap on Google account. Now go to personal info. Now scroll down a bit and tap on birthday. Now adjust the date of birth so that you can verify our 18 years. Now, now adjust the date of birth so that you can cross the 18 years mark. Now tap on save. Now tap on confirm. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.